Have you ever wondered how farmers can produce more food while using less water, fewer pesticides, and reducing waste? The key may be a revolutionary technology inspired by the human brain, neuromorphic computing. Neuromorphic computing is a technology that operates locally, analyzing data directly on the farm without relying on any internet access or energy-hungry cloud computing. Unlike traditional AI, which requires massive datasets and high power consumption, neuromorphic system works on small datasets, adapting in real time to optimize irrigation, detect pests, and reduce fertilizer use efficiently and sustainably. As I said, this technology is inspired by the human brain, which is an amazing machine. It processes lots of information, adapts to change, and learns from experience, all while using very little energy. We aim to replicate this process in silicon by mimicking how neurons work. But making this technology truly useful means solving big challenges. One of these challenges is combining different pieces of information. Our research focuses on exploiting smart sensors that capture key environmental data, such as plant impedance, soil moisture, and temperature. These sensors provided piece of the puzzles, but our neuromorphic chip, or in other words, the brain of the sensors, must combine these pieces into a clear and reliable picture of what's happening in the farm. That is an incredibly complex environment. These chips need to make real-time decisions, like adjusting irrigation, adding nutrients to the soil, or recognizing and alerting farmers when something is wrong. And beyond accuracy, we must also consider cost, ease of use, and reliability in real-world farming conditions. One of the biggest challenges is figuring out how to perform computations efficiently on these chips, while also identifying the best combination of low-power, low-cost sensors to ensure reliable and practical real-world applications. As you can see, there are still some challenges to overcome. But neuromorphic computing has the potential to transform agriculture by making farming more precise, efficient, and sustainable. With real-time local decision-making, this technology might help us grow more food while protecting our planet.